Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Ramadan is coming soon, and today we are making a dessert that's soft, naturally sweet, and full of comfort. Our healthy chocolate banana cake. These ripe bananas are almost forgotten until chocolate brought them to life. Everyone says use ripe bananas, but honestly, these little fruits are just waiting for chocolate to save their reputation. One gentle mash, a little cookout drama, and suddenly we are not just making a cake, we are making a love story between banana and chocolate. And the best part, it's healthy enough to enjoy during Ramadan without feeling too heavy. Here is what you will need: ripe bananas, cocoa powder, flour, eggs, little sugar, and oil. And if you want, you can also add some extra chocolate for some extra love. For the full list of ingredients and the complete recipe, check the description box below. Mash the bananas gently, add the wet ingredients, then slowly fold in the dry ones. Mix with care. If you enjoyed this peaceful baking journey, softly tap like and subscribe, and we can share more cozy sweet recipes together. Pour your batter into a greased pan, pop it into the oven, and let the aroma fill your kitchen. While it bakes, take a moment to reflect, to breathe, and to appreciate the blessings around you. Because Ramadan is not just about food. It's about intention and love in every step. Save this recipe for your Ramadan table. If you enjoyed this cozy baking journey, tap like and subscribe for more amazing and easy recipes so we can share more peaceful sweet moments together. Once baked, the cake is golden, soft, and naturally sweet. Slice it gently, serve it with a warm cup of a tea and a milk. And just like that, cake is ready, perfectly soft, sweet, and ready to enjoy. I hope friends you liked today's recipe. Inshallah, see you in the next week. Take care of yourself and the people around you.